Welcome back to Channel 27. I'm Tiff McGee here with Archie Bunsworth and Blanco. On today's news, we will be reporting on a bizarre outbreak of E. coli, not to be confused with E. coli. This virus causes strange tendencies of homicidal thoughts and actions towards significant others. With Valentine's Day approaching, this is not good. We will be interviewing a man who claims he was a victim of this virus.
Thank you, Tiff. Archie Bunsworth here with Random Dude, who claims to have been infected with E. coli. When did you first notice your symptoms, sir?
Oh, it came on real sudden a few weeks ago. I just had this urge to kill my girlfriend of 10 years.
Wow, that is so crazy. How did you try to kill her, sir?
I had the best idea. I was gonna poison her floss. Then I remembered nobody flosses anyways.
Wow, that's disgusting. Please floss.
In other news, a man pretending to be a dog is the new internet sensation. Dog people around the world are inspired by his dedication. However, little kids find this video highly disturbing and have been reported having nightmares.
That's all for today. Partners take care, children seek counseling.
Welcome back to Channel 27. I'm Tiff McGee here with Archie Bunsworth and
I think, anyways, you want to start now? It's like,
Archie Bunsworth.
you want